Hi, I'm Jeff Collins, Deputy Director of Public Service at Laramie County Library System. I'm excited to talk to you today about our Summer Reading Challenge 2020. We're really excited to bring this program to the community, and for the first time ever, we're making it entirely online. We're doing this out of concerns for COVID-19, and we want to make sure that everybody's as safe as possible during this process, and that they also have an opportunity to do summer reading in an exciting environment. So beginning June 1st through August 31st, during the summer, participants will be able to register online using our new online interface. Once they register, they're going to be able to log their reading by tracking, setting a goal of either 25 books, 25 days, or 25 hours, and then logging that participation throughout the summer. And we're really excited about this for a number of reasons. There are completion prizes for children and teenagers, thanks to a generous donation by REMAX Cheyenne. And we are really excited to be able to do that for the community. If you need reading material, you can place holds online and access reading material at the library. You could pick those items up using our curbside pickup service. And there's some other great things about summer reading. One of them is specific to our tickets and drawing system that works this year. We're really excited about that process. And essentially for every 5 books, hours, or days that you read, you're going to be able to receive tickets. And these tickets you can then put into a prize drawing, which will occur in early September. And those are some really cool prizes. We're excited for them. Including things like noise-canceling headphones and other great prizes. Adults can participate as well, and we'd love to have them participate and complete one of the indie prizes as well. So we're excited for you to participate this year in our Summer Reading Challenge 2020. We'd love to see you, albeit online, at LaramieCountyLibrary.org. Thanks.